Hi children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, I hope you all are fine and safe. Today, let's go back to our maths class. In the previous class we have studied write the missing numerals, number that comes before, after and between. Is that no children? Yes. And another one topic is face value and place value. Is that no children? Yes. Today we have to learn about the expanded notation and expanded form. Okay children? Okay, now all of you take your maths book with your stationery things. That means pencil, razor and sharpener. Is your pencil sharp? Your pencil is not sharp means first of all sharp your pencil. Okay, now see the book. All of you take book page number 7. All of you take book page number 7. Already we have completed the 6th page. Yes or no children? Yes, okay. So all of you take book page number 7. Have you taken? Okay, see the 5th one heading. W-R-I-T-E write. W-R-I-T-E write. T-H-E-D. T-H-E-D. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. I-N in. I-N in. T-H-E-D. E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D. Expanded. N-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Notation. Write the numbers in the expanded notation. O-N-E-1 H-A-S has B-double-E-N D-O-N-E done F-O-R for Y-O-U-U. Write the numbers in the expanded notation. One has been done for you. Okay. All of you see the A question. They are given 26. What is that number? What is that number children? 26. The first one is example. Okay. Already they are given the answer also. See 26. 20. How many tens is that? 2 tens. Okay. How many tens is that? 2 tens. Plus how many ones is there? 6 ones. Okay. If you are seeing the numbers means first mark it ones, place and tens. Okay. Now we see here. What is this number? 26. Already they given. Yes. First of all you mark this one ones, tens. Okay. Ones and tens. Okay. Now first of all you fill this one tens place. Is that no children? Yes. This one tens. T-E-N-S tens plus O-N-E-S ones. Okay. This one tens and this one ones. First we want to fill the left side. Okay children. How many ones is here? See here how many ones is here? 6. So we want to write 6 in the box. So you want to write 6 in the box. Okay children. Then see how many tens is here. Tens. This one tens place. How many tens is here? 2. Yes. So you want to write here 2 tens. Now here 84 means 84 no need. The second one you have to see 44. Okay. 44 means you mark here ones and tens. One box, this is tens box, plus and another one is ones box. Okay. See here, how many ones is here? How many ones is here? 4. So we want to write ones place for 4 ones. How many ones? 4 ones. Then how many tens? 4 tens. How many tens is here? 4. Yes or no children? Yes. So we want to write 4 tens. Okay. Then see the next one. 83. 83. 83 means tens plus ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. Okay. Now you mark ones. This one tens. Yes. How many ones? First of all, you want to start the ones column. Okay. Don't write here. First you complete the ones, next tens, next 100, then 1000. Okay children. Ones. How many ones is here? 3. Yes. Ones place la endha number irukku? 3 dana irukku. So this is ones place. Okay. How many ones? 3 ones. How many tens? 8 tens. See the next one. 135. 135. 3 digit number. Yes or no children? Yes. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100 plus one box. Tens plus ones. Tens plus ones. Okay. See here. This is 3 digit number. Yes. How many numbers here? 1, 2 and 3. First of all you mark 1, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now you take and fill the numbers. Okay children. First we want to fill the ones column. Okay. How many ones is here? How many ones is here? 5. So you take and write 5 here. Okay children. Then how many tens is here? Tens. How many tens? 3 tens. The first one 100. 100 place. Which number is in 100 place? 1. So want to write 1 in the 100 place. Next see the E question. Do you understand children? I hope you have understood. So you fill the next one. I didn't write. You do yourself. E, F, G and H. Questions you do yourself. Do you know? Yes, you are brilliant. Already you have studied this one. So all of you write neatly and write correct. (26) 2 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. Then 44. The first one is 4 is in ones place and tens place. Third one 83. Fourth one 135. Then now we want to write the E. Yes. 215. 2 hundreds, 15. First we want to fill the ones column. Okay, how many ones is there? 5. So we want to write 5 in the ones column. Okay children. Five in the ones column. Then see the next one, E. 215. Yes, 5 is in ones column. Then 1. 1. Want to write 1 in the tens column. Okay. Then see the hundreds place. Then see the hundred place. 2. Okay. The E question is 2. How many hundred is there? 200. Okay. So you want to write 2. Then see the F question. See the F question. How many ones is there? 7. Is there no children? Yes. How many ones is there? 7. Then how many tens is there? 4. So you want to write 4 in the box. Then how many hundred is there? That is also 4. Okay. Then see the G. 826. Is there no children? Yes, 826. How many ones is there? First of all, we want to write the left side. Yes, right side. First, we want to write the ones place. How many ones is there? 6. Yes or no? Yes. How many ones is there? 6. Then, how many tens is there? 2 tens. Okay. How many tens? 2 tens. Then how many hundreds is there? 800. Okay. How many hundred? 800. See the next one. The last one. How many ones is there? 8 ones. Okay. How many ones? 8 ones. How many tens? 5 tens. How many hundred? 900. Okay children. Then see the next one. Have you written? Okay, I hope you have finished that one. See the sixth one, W-R-I-T-E, bright. T-H-E-D, E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D, expanded. F-O-R-M, form. O-F of T-H-E-D, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. O-N-E-1, H-A-S has. B-double-E-N, been. D-O-N-E, done. F-O-R for Y-O-U-U. Write the expanded form of the numbers. One has been done for you. One has been done for you. See the first one. A question 25. Is there no children? 25. How How do they split this one? 5 ones and tens column you want to write 20. Is that no children? Yes. Then see the second one. See the second one. 68. Is that no children? Yes. See the second one, 68. 68. So you want to first fill the ones column. Okay. So we have to fill this one ones, this one tens. Okay. How many ones is here? 8 ones. So you want to write here 8. Okay. Then how many tens is here? 6 tens. Okay. 6 tens means 60. 6 tens means we want to write 60. Okay children, 6 tens means we want to write 60. Then see the third one, 150. 150. Is that no children? Yes. 3 columns are there. So we want to fill 0. Okay. First we want to complete the ones place. Yes. So this one ones, tens and 100. Okay. See here 0 is in ones place. Yes children. So we want to write 0 here. Ones place finished. Then we want to complete the tens column. Tens place. Okay. How many tens is here? How many tens is here? 5 tens. Yes. How many tens? 5 tens. So we want to write 5 tens means 50. Okay. 5 tens means 50. Then the third one 100. How many 100 is here? 100. Okay. So we want to write 100. And see the next one, 254. 254. 254. How many ones is here? How many ones is here? 4. Yes. 4 ones. How many tens? 5 tens means 50. Okay. Then how many 100? 200. The third one, 378. 378. Ones place is 8. Tens place in 7. Is that no children? Yes. Tens place is 7. So we want to write 70. Okay. 100 place. How many 100 is here? 300. So we want to write 300. Okay. Then F question 409. 409. Which one is in ones place? 409. 3 boxes are there. $409. Okay, see the first one. How many ones is here? 9. Okay, how many ones is here? 9. Then how many tens is here? 0. So no value. Then how many 100 is here? 400. Okay, how many 100 is here? 400. Then see the G question. 482. 482. First we want to fill the ones column. How many ones is here? 2 ones. Yes, 2 ones. How many tens is here? 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Then how many 100 is here? 400. Okay, 400. Then see the height question. 578. 578. 578. See the first one. 8 ones. How many ones? 8 ones. Okay. Then how many tens? 7 tens. So 70. How many hundred? 500. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. Then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P questions are there. Is there no, children? Yes. From I to P question, you do yourself. You do yourself. I to P questions, you must do yourself. I, okay, see the I means 634. 100 place means 600 plus 30 plus 4. 634. Then see the J question. Ones place in 1. Tens place we want to write 80. 80. And the 100 place we want to write 600. 600 is 600. See the K question. Ones place in 3. Yes. 3. Tens place 20, 20, 20. 100 place we want to write 700, 700, 700. Then L, ones place in 6. Tens place we want to write 80, 80, 80, 80. 100 place you want to write 700, 700, 700, 700. Then M, first one 5, ones place is in 5, ones place 5, tens place 20, 20, tens place 20, 20. 100 places in 800, 800, 800. N question 867. Ones place you want to write 7. Tens place 60, 60. Tens place you want to write 60, 60. Then how many hundred is there? 800, 800, 800. Come to the next one. 0. Ones place is 0. Then tens place 20, 20, 20. 100 place 900, 900, 900. 900. Then come to the P question. 5. The ones place in 5. And the tens place 70, 70. The tens place 70, 70. See the 100 place. How many 100 is there? 900. Is that no, children? Yes, 900. Okay. Have you completed? Is that no? Yes. Okay, now all of you take book page number 9. All of you take book page number 9. See the box. One big box is there. Yes. WRITE, right? THED, NUMBERS, numbers. FROM, from 1001 to 1100. from 1001 to 1100. This one today's homework. Okay, this one today's homework. Beside one write today's day and date. You should write today's day and date. Mark it today's homework. This is today homework. Mark it beside today's day and date. 1001 to 1010. You should write your book. Okay. Do you mark it? Do you mark it, children? Okay, next one. We will see the next class. Study well. I hope you have completed the homework on the given day. So complete your homework on the given day. Okay, children? Don't postpone to the next day. Okay? Okay, children? Bye. Take care.